Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to give you information about an important topic. If the people of India are thinking that we have become independent, then they are living under a misconception. The last 10 years have been very wonderful for the country. A lot of work has been done in them, and the remaining work which was to be done now, which means that the foundation was laid in the last 10 years. The building is yet to build. There are so many laws that the British made to keep the people of India enslaved for 1000 years. So, how can they do and good for to our country peoples? Just think about it. Everything is the same right now. Whatever work has been done in the last 10 years under the leadership of the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is very commendable, remarkable, but a lot of work is still left. In these 10 years, the seed of developed India was sown. It is yet to germinate and grow by being nurtured. But the work will be done as per the mandate. So I will request all of you to take membership of Bharatiya Janata Party in maximum numbers, and cooperation of each and every citizen is required in nation building. The government alone can't do this. Unless the government gets your strength, it is not possible without the strength of the people. So we will also have to show that we have committed a mistake. We accept that. And by taking membership of Bharatiya Janata Party in maximum numbers, we have to show Narendra Modi ji that we have become united for the benefit of the country and are with you to strengthen the country. And I want to tell you one more thing, that before independence, even after independence, many such laws and amendments have been made in the constitution in which Hindus have been treated completely step motherly, and they have been kept away from the beneficiaries of these rules and laws. I will tell you a little about them. At least 10 laws are already in operation to give possession of India resources and land to foreigners. The first law among them was the Land Acquisition Act of 1984. Under that, the land has not been returned yet. Secondly, two sorry, serious two sections were added to the constitution, and very serious sections. You all know Article 370 and 35A. The purpose of this was to divide Kashmir and give it to minorities. Nehruji made the Waqf Act in 1954. After that, the government took control of the minorities and also control of the monasteries and the temples, Hindu monasteries and the Hindu temples. 30 laws were made to control the monasteries and the temples, not a single law. Not a single law was made for this. Not a single law was made for the mazar. Not a single law was made for the dargah. Similarly, for the first time in India, Indira Gandhi made a law to give universities to the minority. This was made in 1984, and in 1985 another dangerous law was made. Section 6A was added in the Citizenship Act to control over India's resources to the minorities. After that, the Place of Worship Act was made. By making the Worship Act, all our temples that Humayun, Akbar, Aurangzeb had captured were legalized. After the another law was made in 1992, the National Minority Commission Act. After that, in 2004, a National Minority Commission Education Institutional Act was made. After that, even that was not sufficient and did not satisfy them. In 2012, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board Act says that these madrasas should be taken out of the Right to Education Act. So, my friends, I request you to spread this kind of cheap thinking of the Congress among the people, and do not do the work of public awareness. People should know that this inheritance tax which they are talking about bringing now, 10 laws have been already made before this. भाइयों, today is the time of become aware yourself and made others aware too. खुद भी जागरूक होना पड़ेगा भाइयों, दूसरों को भी जागरूक करना पड़ेगा. Because very few people know about the law and the constitution, how we have been cheated very cleverly. Do you all should know that yourself and tell the people too. This is a well planned technique, and I can say 20 articles, 20 amendments after independent has been made, who which are not in favor of Hindu. I am saying you again that please try to understand the demand of the time. Now that the demand of the time is the awareness of our constitution, laws, and we have to make strength of our prime minister and chief minister. Then you can say that we can come out of this type of negative laws of Hindus. जय श्री राम, जय जय श्री राम, जय जय श्री राम.